In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a case in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, this process is straightforward and I'll make sure you're up to speed in no time. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the target account or contact record. This is the foundation of creating a case because Salesforce ties cases to specific accounts or contacts. So go ahead and navigate to the account or contact that you want to associate with the new case. If you're not sure how to find the right record, you can use the search bar at the top of your Salesforce dashboard. Just type in the name of the account or the contact, and you should see it pop up in the search results. Once you've located and opened the record, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have the account or contact record open, you'll want to head over to the Related tab. This tab is like a hub for all related information and activities connected to the record. Within this tab, look for the Cases Related list. This list is where all currently associated cases are displayed, and it's the place where you'll be adding your new case. Once you've located the Cases Related list, look for the New button inside that list. Clicking this button will initiate the process of creating a new case. It's usually prominently displayed, but if you're having trouble finding it, check for a button with a plus sign or the word New on it. Clicking this button will prompt a new screen to open where you'll input all the necessary details for the case you're about to create. Next, it's time to fill out the details of the case. You'll see fields such as subject, description, status, and priority. These fields are crucial for defining the case, so try to be as detailed as possible. The subject field typically contains a brief summary of the issue or request. For the description, you'll want to provide more in-depth information about the problem or inquiry. The status field will help others understand where the case stands in the process, whether it's new, in progress, or resolved. Lastly, set the priority to indicate how urgent the case is. Make sure everything is filled out accurately to ensure that the case is handled efficiently. Once you've completed all the necessary fields to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Save. This step finalizes the case creation, ensuring that all your details are stored and accessible to others who might need to review or act on the case. After saving, the new case should appear in the Cases Related list, confirming that it's been successfully created and linked to the account or contact. And there you have it, a new case in Salesforce created and ready for action. This simple guide has walked you through the entire process, making it easy to manage and track issues or requests tied to your accounts or contacts. Remember, creating cases efficiently is key to maintaining clear communication and resolution paths within your organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy Salesforcing.